Okay, we're out in the middle of the woods. We have a problem. We have this tree that we need to cut down without any chainsaw, so we're gonna have to shoot it down. And we're gonna start off with a 9mm, jump up to a 45, go to the AK-47, and then finish it off with a 12 gauge combat shotgun. We're gonna see what we're gonna do. I'm gonna pan out a little bit here. Okay, I'm gonna move up for it, but I'm gonna have to run. Yell timber if you see it going down. Don't try this at home.
Only professionals are allowed to.
We're highly paid, trained professionals.
I wish I was highly paid.
Okay. Okay. 9mm out. Tree still up. Move on to the 45. We should have done the 42. Oh well. Yeah, just try concentrating on one little spot. Okay, the 45 didn't do it. What about the AK? Oh, yeah! It's dead. To make sure. Yeah. Put it out of its misery with a shotgun. Too bad it didn't come down a shotgun. And it's dead.
The hippies are going to be pissed.